Working with stacked sheet and plate metal can put your team's hands dangerously close to pinch points. Let us show you how our Wedge-It tool protects workers while enabling controlled separation of sheets of metal and other materials. Chris Lee here with the Hand Safety Tool Company. Our Wedge-It no-touch tool is engineered to safely separate stacked sheet and plate metal while keeping hands and bodies away from hazardous pinch points. By pushing the wedge head between layers of sheet metal or other materials, the user creates a secure gap for inserting spacers before any lifting or handling takes place. The ergonomic D-handle delivers powerful pushing leverage with reduced strain, improving control, positioning, and efficiency when separating sheet metal. Using the Wedge-It is fast and straightforward. First, align the Wedge-It at the sheet edge. Then, push the tip of the Wedge-It under the sheets to be lifted. Next, continue pushing the tool to separate the sheets. You will advance the tool until a safe gap is created, but make sure to stop before the handguard reaches the stack to keep hands and fingers outside the danger zone. Finally, insert your spacers securely, then remove the Wedge-It tool. The Wedge-It is built for tough industrial use, and when the head eventually wears down, it is replaceable in moments. Simply loosen the screw to remove the binding post that secures the head. Next, pull the head off the tool. Then, position the new head in place. Finally, reinsert the binding post and hand tighten the screw until the head is fully secure. The Wedge-It is ideal for use in fabrication shops, plate handling operations, and metal staging environments. You can learn how to get your hands on one of these tools by visiting handsafetytools.com. And remember, you'll keep your hands by keeping your hands off it.